What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can see who shared your reels on Instagram. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first, you have to open up your Instagram account and you have to go to your profile. After going to profile, you have to click on reel button, reel option to see your reels. Then you have to select the reel that you want to see who shared your reels. After that you have to click on view insights. This is the option. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. After that you have to click on view insights. Then you can see has a bunch of options that how many times that reels has been played. Then you can see reels interaction, account reached, profile activity, and how many followers you replace, how many times your reels have been replayed. You can see like, comments, share and save. This is the share option. Okay, no one has shared this reel, and if someone has shared this reel, you can see here the number shares. And just for now, Instagram doesn't have this feature that you can see who shared your reels. I hope Instagram will add this in the next update. So this is for it now. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.